this is your Kalpana. In this video, we are going to learn what is common factor and co-prime numbers or relatively prime. Firstly, common factors. What is common factor? So for that, consider two or more numbers. Let us consider two numbers. Suppose 4 and 12. 4 and 12. So, what are the factors of 4? To write the factors of 4, we should use tables, right? 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 4 1s are 4. Okay. So for 12, 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, fifth table, sixth table, 6 2s are 12, seventh table, eighth table, no, you don't get any. 12 in eighth table, ninth table, 10, 11, no 12. So finally, 12 ones are 12. Okay, so these are the factors of 4 and these are the factors of 12. Now we have to find the common factor of both the numbers. That means the common factor you'll find from these numbers. Okay, now let's find 1 common for both the numbers. Common for both the numbers. Next, 2 again. 2 is common for both the numbers. And find 4 common for both the numbers. Here also you are having 4 and here also you are having 4. So the common factors of 4 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Why not 3, 6, 12? Because you don't have any 3, 6, 12 factors in 4. Okay. But 1, 2, 4 factors you have for 4 and 12. The factors 1, 2 and 4 you're having for both the numbers 4 and 12. See, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4. Okay. So, common factors of 4 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Okay, let's see another example. 12 and 18. 1 12s are 12, so I'm finding factors of 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 ones are 12. Okay, now we'll find factors for 18. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. Next, fourth table, no. Fifth table, sixth table, yes. 6 3s are 18, 7, 8, 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18. And finally, 18th table. 18 ones are 18. So here let's find the common factors for both the numbers. 1, 1. 1 is a common factor for both the numbers. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 you're having here. You don't have any 4 here. 6. You're having 6. 12. No 12. You're having 9 here. You don't have any 9. 18. No 18. So the common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Now we'll see coprime numbers. Coprime numbers are relatively prime. Okay. If two numbers have common factor 1, if two numbers have common factor 1, then they are coprime numbers. Okay, that means here we have only common factor 1. Okay, only one common factor and we don't have any other common factors, then that number are called coprime numbers or relatively prime. So what is coprime number? Relatively prime. If two numbers have common factor 1, then they are coprime numbers or relatively prime. Let's see an example. Consider two numbers, say 4 and 15. So now let's find common factors of both the numbers. To find common factors for both the numbers, first of all we have to write factors for each number. Factors of each number. So 4 for 4, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. And for 15, 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15. Okay. So how many common factors you have here? 1, 1, 2, 3, no 2. Sorry, 2 and 4. You don't have 2 and 4 here. 3, no 3s. 5, no 5s. 15, no 15s. So here we have only one common factor. Two numbers have common factor 1. Yet the common factor is also 1. Only 1. The number 1. Okay. There are no common factors other than number 1. So this is called coprime numbers. So these numbers are called coprime numbers. Okay. So 4 and 15 are coprime numbers. So let's see another example. $18 and 35. Okay. 18. 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. 6 threes are 18. 9 twos are 18. Again, 18 ones are 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 ones are 18. Okay. And for 35, 1 into 35. 35. 2 table? No. For 3 table? 3 table, do you have any? 3 table? 15 threes? 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3. 4? No. 3 ones are? No. Not 3 table. 4th table? No. 5th table? 5, 6, 7s are 35. And 6th table you don't have. 7th table? 7 fives are 35. 8, 9, no. 10, 11, 12, and so on. You have to check. Okay. Finally, you won't get. So here, common factor is 1. Only 1. 1 is the common factor. So the numbers 18 and 35 are called coprime numbers. Okay. Okay, this is all about common factors and coprime numbers. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.